What if I tell you that Apple is finally doing what everyone said it never would? Yes, the iPhone Foldable is no longer a rumor. After years of leaks, delays, and silence, Apple's foldable iPhone is now confirmed by multiple trusted sources. Samsung started it, Google followed, but Apple waited, and now they're ready to change the foldable game forever. In this video, I'll tell you everything about Apple's foldable iPhone. The design, display, features, camera, performance, price, launch date, and why this could be the biggest iPhone revolution since the original iPhone. So watch till the end, because some details will shock you. For years, Apple avoided foldable phones. They didn't want to release a product with compromises. But now, according to supply chain reports, display manufacturers, and Apple analysts, Apple has approved the foldable iPhone project internally. Apple is currently testing multiple foldable prototypes, and the device has entered the advanced development stage. This means Apple is confident about durability. Crease issues are mostly solved. Software is being optimized. This is not just another experiment. This is Apple's next flagship direction. Apple is reportedly working on two foldable concepts, but one is clearly winning. Book-style fold most likely. Similar to Galaxy Z Fold. Opens like a mini iPad. Compact when closed, powerful when open. Flip style less likely. Clamshell design. More fashion-focused. Smaller productivity use. Leaks suggest Apple is focusing on a book-style foldable because it fits perfectly between iPhone and iPad mini. This could replace the need for carrying two devices. This is where Apple is playing its strongest card. Display sizes leaks. Outer display, 6.1 to 6.5 inches. Inner foldable display, 7.9 to 8.3 inches. Basically, when unfolded, you're holding a mini iPad in your pocket. Display type, old or micro-old. 120 Hz promotion. Extremely high brightness. Color accuracy better than competitors. Crease problem solved. Apple has reportedly developed a new hinge and display layering system that makes the crease almost invisible, only noticeable at extreme angles. If true, this could be a game changer. Foldable phones fail because of weak hinges, dust damage, screen cracks. Apple is using aerospace-grade materials, liquid metal hinge technology, reinforced flexible glass. The hinge is tested for hundreds of thousands of folds. Apple doesn't want fragile. They want boring reliability, and that's dangerous for competitors. This is very exciting. Leaks suggest Apple might use a Series chip A19 Pro or A20, or a modified M Series chip. If Apple goes with an M chip, then this foldable iPhone could run console-level games, handle heavy multitasking, replace laptops for some users. Imagine editing videos, running split-screen apps, using desktop-level apps, all on a phone. Apple will not downgrade cameras. Expected camera setup for 8MP main sensor, ultra-wide lens, telephoto with optical zoom. Possible features: advanced computational photography, better low-light performance, pro-level video recording. Apple wants this foldable to be a true pro device, not a compromise. Foldable phones need smart battery design. Apple may use dual battery system, AI-based power optimization, improved battery health management. Expected features: all-day battery life, fast wired charging, MagSafe support, possibly reverse charging. Battery efficiency will be better than Android foldables due to Apple's chip optimization. This is where Apple will dominate. Foldable iPhone will come with a special version of iOS optimized for split-screen multitasking, app continuity between folded and unfolded modes, iPad-like gestures, floating apps. Apps will automatically resize without breaking. Apple controls both hardware and software, and that's why their foldable could feel years ahead. Big question. Leaks suggest Face ID under display may be delayed. Touch ID could return in the power button. This would be faster, more reliable, better for foldable usage. A nostalgic but smart move. Let's be honest, this will not be cheap. Expected price range: $1,800 to $2,200 USD. Yes, expensive, but Apple fans are used to paying for premium build, long-term software support, strong resale value. This device is not for everyone. It's for power users and early adopters. According to trusted analysts, development ongoing in 2025. Mass production expected in 2026. Launch window, late 2026 or early 2027. Apple is taking its time because they want it perfect. Apple doesn't enter markets early, they enter to win. This foldable iPhone could kill the need for small tablets, push iOS to a new era, force competitors to redesign everything. Once Apple launches, foldables will no longer be experimental. They'll be mainstream. The foldable iPhone is coming, not as a copy, but as a redefinition. If Apple gets this right, this could be the most important iPhone in history. So the real question is, are you ready for Apple's foldable future?